It contains match the column type problems. Question number 59 says that consider the set A which contains first 15 natural numbers. Column 1 option A says that if 3 distinct numbers are selected from set A, then the probability that the numbers are in AP. The total number of ways of selecting 3 distinct numbers from 15 available numbers is 15C3. For AP, we have the condition that if 3 numbers selected are ABC, we have 2B equals A plus C. So the sum of A and C is an even number, it is 2B. So we have two possible cases. पहला case A और C दोनों even हो, दूसरा case A और C दोनों odd हो. So what is n of E? हमारे पास 15 numbers हैं, उसमें से 8 odd हैं और 7 even है. So 8C2 plus 7C2, we are adding both the cases because there are two different possibilities. Okay. So that means what is probability of E? It is 8C2 plus 7C2 upon 15C3. And that will come out to be equal to 7 upon 65. Option number is satisfies. So let us move on to B part. B part says that two subsets P and Q of A are chosen. The probability that P intersection Q is 5. So we have 15 elements, 1, 2, 3, up to 15. 1 has 4 possibilities. First possibility, it goes to P only. Second possibility, Q only. Third possibility, none of P or Q. Fourth possibility, both of them. So out of these 4 possibilities, this is favorable, this is favorable, this is favorable. So for each of the elements, this case is repeated. That is why the probability of required event E, that P intersection Q is 5, it is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. How many times? 15 times. So that is 3 by 4 raised to the power 15. Obviously, option number T matches. Let us move on to C part. C part says that if 3 distinct numbers are selected from the set A, then the probability that the equation ax square plus 30bx plus c equals 0 has real roots is greater than. The discriminant of this particular equation is 900b square minus 4ac. What is the minimum value of the discriminant? When b square is minimum, that is 1, and 4ac is maximum, that is 4 into 15 into 14. So that is equal to 60. This is the minimum value of the discriminant. That means all the values of the discriminant are greater than 60. Therefore, all the values are positive. Therefore, the required probability of event E is equal to 1 because it is a sure event. जितने भी हम possible combination select करेंगे ABC के, हमेशा हमारे पास इस quadratic equation के real roots आएंगे क्योंकि discriminant हमेशा 60 से बड़ा है. So that means probability of this event is 1. It is greater than all the 5 options given in the column 2. So C part matches with PQRST, all 5 options. Let us move on to D part. D part again says that if 3 distinct numbers are selected from set A, then the probability that the maximum of the selected numbers is 9. Students, probability of event is NE by NS. NS is obviously 15C3. For the greatest number to be 9, हमारे पास 9 तो select होना ही पड़ेगा और पहले 8 में से हमें 2 कोई distinct number select करने पड़ेंगे. So 8C2 into 1. So that is the answer. It will simplify to be 4 upon 65. So this matches with R. Okay. Let us move on to 60. So question 60 says that match column 1 with column 2. A part says that the sum of binomial coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to power m, where m is a positive integer, lying between 200 and 400. Students, 1 plus x की power m में sum of binomial coefficient होता है 2 की power m. 2 की power m अगर 200 और 400 में lie कर रहा है तो हमारे पास एक ही possible value है 2 की power m की और वो है 256. इसका मतलब हमारी m की value है 8. So if m is 8, I have the next expansion as x raised to power minus 3 by 4 plus nx raised to the power 5 by 4 whole raised to the power 8. इसकी जो टर्म इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ x है वो होगी 8c3 x raised to the power minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 5 into n into x raised to the power 5 by 4 whole cube. And ये टर्म की वैल्यू हमें दी गई है 448. So x will get cancelled. 8c3 is simply 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 6, that is 56. From here you will get n cube is equal to 8. So n is equal to 2, n power 5 is equal to 32. The question is saying that n power 5 is divisible by. So it is divisible by P, R, T. That means 4, 2 and 8. Okay. Let us move on to B part. B part says that if the last digit of the number 3 raised to power 999 is alpha and the last digit of 2 power 7 alpha is mu, then mu plus lambda is divisible by. 3 की power 1 होता है 3, 3 की power 2 होता है 9. I am talking about the unit digit. इसका unit digit होता है 7, इसका unit digit होता है 1. So 3971, 3971, the cycle goes on. अल्फा इज द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ 3 पावर 999. 3 पावर 999 ये वाली कैटेगरी में फॉल करेगा. सो अल्फा इज 7. 2 raised to power 7 alpha is 2 raised to power 49. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. After that, the cycle repeats. 2486, 2486, 2486. So 2 power 49 will fall again in this category. So if alpha is 7, the last digit of 2 power 49 is mu. So mu is equal to 2. Alpha plus mu is 9. It is divisible by 3 as well as 9. So B matches with Q and S. Let us move on to C part. C part is saying that if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation p times x square plus lambda square plus p lambda x plus q lambda square x square equals 0, then what is the value of p times alpha square plus beta square plus p alpha beta plus q alpha square beta square plus 3? Students, we have the quadratic equation as p plus lambda square q into x square. That is the coefficient, the leading coefficient. Then it is p lambda x plus p lambda square equals 0. What you have to do? You have to put alpha plus beta equal to minus p lambda upon p plus lambda square q. You have to put alpha beta as p lambda square upon p plus lambda square q. You have to put alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So as soon as you do this calculation, these three terms are going to vanish. They are 0. So 0 plus 3 is divisible by only S. So C matches with S. Okay. Let us move on to the last part. D part says that the solution of 1 plus secant x is equal to cot square x by 2 is given by. So let us convert it into sin and cos. 1 plus 1 upon cos x is equal to 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. So we have 1 plus cos x common. 1 upon cos x minus 1 upon 1 minus cos x equals 0. So we'll get cos x plus 1 into 1 minus 2 cos x equals 0. So cos x is minus 1 or cos x is half. Similarly, cos x cannot be 0 or it cannot be 1 because they are in the denominators. So we have the x equal to k pi as the solution. Students, obviously k can be 1, k can be 3, k can be 5. All odd numbers are permissible. So this matches with Q and S. Obviously, 2 pi will give you cos x equals to 1. So that is not the solution. 4 pi again, 8 pi again, the same. So D matches with QS. So with this, we come to the end of the discussion of this particular paper. We'll see you further in the discussion of paper 2. All the very best for your studies. Thank you very much.